Rust-dyed fabrics have an amazing organic look, but did you know that choosing the right colors for screen printing on them can really make or break your project? Well, keep watching and I'll show you 5 custom colors that I've created that are designed to enhance but never compete with your rust-dyed fabrics. Now, these colors are all about enhancing the natural beauty of rust-dyed fabric. So let's take a look at my top 5 custom colors that I've created just for this unique fabric. The first color is kind of a burnt orange. It's a shade a little deeper than the rust fabric itself, and it brings out the natural color variations of the fabric, adding some extra dimension and a bold richness that intensifies the fabric texture. I like to use this color for my first layer of printing because it's just a little bit deeper than the fabric and it doesn't overwhelm the fabric itself, but it adds some nice extra texture and color that you really kind of have to get close up to see. The second color I have is a soft sage green. Now, this color is subtle, but it's very powerful, and it adds a natural vibe that blends in beautifully with the rust tones of the fabric. And it brings out those earthy qualities of the rust fabric without overpowering them. The third color is what I'm calling a deep vermilion. This color is inspired by the leaves as they turn colors during the fall's cooler weather, and it adds a rich, warm color that complements the fabric earthy look and creates a nice balanced visual between the fabric and the printing. And color number 4 should come as no surprise. I call it indigo blue. The warm orange tones of the rust and the cool indigo blue color are perfect complements to each other, and they're actually opposites on the color wheel, so they work very well together. The final color is a warm gray, and it's a perfect neutral when you don't want to add a lot of color and you want a softer touch. It adds an overall softness to the look and just a touch of sophistication that let the rust fabric character shine through. So now that I've shown you my top 5 custom mixed colors, I want to talk about the thought process behind these colors. I custom mixed each of these colors to work with, not against, the rust-dyed texture. And I think they work perfectly with the fabric's natural beauty, bringing out the depth and personality of each piece. So I hope this video has inspired you to try your hand at mixing custom colors for your rust-dyed fabrics. Now let me know down in the comment, which was your favorite color? Now these are not the only colors that I've mixed up. I have many, many more. And if you're interested in seeing those, leave me a comment down below and I'll create another video showing you all the colors that I custom mixed. Don't forget to give this video a like and ring that bell and subscribe to the channel for more tips on enhancing your textile art and follow along for more creative inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you back here in the next one. But until then, have a beautiful, beautiful day. Bye-bye now.